I'm Audrey, your friendly Tupperware lady. Your friendly Tupperware lady, Audrey. I'm going to be making some taco rice from the package, make it easy. And we're going to use our microwave rice cooker, okay? And you can use any kind of rice, even your long grain white rice. You just follow the directions that will come with the packaging for your Tupperware rice cooker. Okay, so we're going to open the package, empty the contents. Yeah. Okay. Then you're going to add 2 cups of water. Okay. Then when you want to put this down, you're going to put it where the Tupperware name is facing upward. You're going to put this in. Then you're going to put this in, put the lid on top of it. Okay. Then we're going to put it in the microwave for 12 minutes. Okay. So while that's cooking, we're going to take a break. When I come back, it'll be done. Hi, I'm back. And it looks like the rice is ready. Cook for 12 minutes, and you just take off the lid. The little handles are not hot, and you want to hold it from these little ridges that are sticking up, and you'll notice there's condensation on the lid too. You want to get your spatula, and then you stir around your rice to get the flavors in. And look, it's done. It looks great, doesn't it? Looks yummy. You just want to follow the directions on the package. There's an option. You can use oil or you cannot. I choose not to. And if you want to read your directions on here, just remember that it's going to be different from here and from the microwave and from the packaging and using this rice cooker. All right, and thank you.